Oh, hello. This is Drew with Michigan Adventure Life.
And this is John. And we're here tonight at the Lupton entrance of the Mac Lake ORV trail system to hike in and get ourselves set for some deer hunting in the morning. Hopefully we'll stick a deer.
Yeah, it's rainy and we got a bunch of corn to carry in, so it's not going to be fun.
We bought too much corn.
We bought too much corn. Stay tuned to suffer with us. So it took us a while with, 85-pound, 90-pound packs. But we're here, we're set up, we're hanging out a little bit, eating some protein bars and getting ready for bed, man. Got an early morning. Oh, yeah. Oh, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
How are you today, John?
Warming up fast.
Yeah.
It's always nice.
It's easy to do with all those layers on.
Right?
I'm gonna get ready and, as Dick would say, go try and stick a go stick a spiky boy.
Go stick a spiky boy. Look for some scat.
Look for some scats. See you in the field, guys. To pick up John, tying up his crossbow there, getting ready to come down. I didn't see anything all morning. I heard some stuff rumbling around, but I don't know if it was deer. Could have been raccoons for all I know. Birds, loud birds.
I didn't see any. I saw probably like 10 blue jays, boatload of birds, and that's it.
Drinking some protein shakes.
It tastes good, but it stinks.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't smell it.
Pretty chilly morning. A lot of fog. There's always fog here.
It doesn't look like the corn got touched from last time when Dick and I dropped the stands off. Heard a lot of stuff moving around this morning. Did not see deer. Why do you think they have to clarify that it's mechanically separated chicken? Why can't they just call it chicken? Maybe I don't want to know. Chicken industry just wants you to know.
Ah, the majestic hunter prepares for an afternoon in the tree, waiting for sunset and deer. What's up, John?
Oh, getting ready for that cold sit at the end of the night. Got our layers back on, got the harnesses back on. We're gonna grab our bags, grab our bows, and head to our tree stands.
So I said bye to John, and I headed into my field. Spooked 3 does coming in. So I put, my scent bombs out, and now I'm just waiting, hoping they come back. It's a gorgeous evening to sit, though. So it's starting to get a little darker,
Haven't seen anything since I spooked the ones when I came in. Heard a lot of stuff moving though. I guess we'll try again tomorrow morning if we don't see anything before dark. John's just out there in his field cleaning up his scent bombs. I didn't see a whole heck of a lot, other than some beavers. I did see those deer I spooked out at the beginning though. We'll touch in with John when he's done picking up. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Did you see anything besides blue jays?
A small brown bird.
You sure it wasn't a small brown deer?
It was flying, so hopefully it wasn't.
I saw deer.
I don't believe you.
Okay.
Did you record it?
No, I spooked them when I came in.
Never happened.
Okay, well I wasn't recording when I came in, so. There are beavers in this swamp, don't know if you noticed that.
I did not.
Didn't you hear like the...
I heard a lot of different noises.
Okay. Let's go back to camp, it's cold.
It's not that cold.
It's a little cold.
We made it back to camp. We ate some meats and cheeses for a nice little dinner. It's pretty chilly, and we got to wake up pretty early in the morning. So we're probably going to be going to bed a couple minutes from now, and hopefully wake up early enough to get the jump on some deer.
It is morning. It is cold. John and I don't want to get up, but we must go kill the deer. Good morning, John. Good morning, Internet. Alright. Sun's just getting up to where we can see. I've been slow stalking in because those beavers from last night are still working, and I don't want to disturb them and spook deer out of my field, so I haven't even made it to my blind yet. But I got to watch beavers, that's cool. Hope there's some deer in this field. Deer, but that was probably the coolest, wildest experience I've ever had in the woods. I have never had a beaver get that close to me. That was really cool. Pretty much makes this whole trip worth it for me, even if I only saw deer running away. I'm gonna stalk around this field, see if I can spook something up. It's getting pretty late in the morning. I went up to my stand for a few, and then so far I've just been stalking around the other field, trying to spook anything up, maybe kick something toward John, but I think those beavers might be the exciting part of the trip. I'm okay with that though, that was pretty cool. I'm gonna keep walking toward John, see if I can spook stuff toward him, and then probably get him out of his stand, go pack our stuff and get out of here. Just packing up camp. No deer.
No deer.
Everything I see makes me more hopeful for gun season, though. It looks better every time we come.
It does. More and more promising.
And I saw some beavers.
And some deer.
And some deer. So we're just gonna pack up and head out. If you like the video, make sure you give it the thumbs up. Click the subscribe button wherever it goes. MIAdventureLife.
MIAdventureLife.
Thanks, guys. Michigan Adventure Life.